Ashley.
Hi, Ashley.
Hi. This is Luke.
Hi, Luke.
Detweiler's and Andrew come with us. This is Jake. He's going to be playing the drums for us. And Chad on the cello.
Woo!
Thank you all for coming. I hope you enjoy it.
Oops, I just took a picture. Wait, what'd she say?
I don't know.
I said don't throw things at us if we sound bad.
Well, speak up loudly. Sing loudly so we can hear.
I'm sorry.
So can I just say something crazy?
I love crazy.
Oh, my life has been a series of doors in my face, and then suddenly I bump into you.
I was thinking the same thing. It's like I've been searching my whole life to find my home place. And maybe it's the party talking or the chocolate fondue.
But with you,
I found my
I
place.
see your face, and it's nothing like I've ever known before. Love is an open door. Love is an open door. Love is an open door with you. With you. Love is an open door.
I mean, it's crazy. We finish each other's
Sandwiches.
That's what I was gonna say.
Never met someone who thinks so much like me.
Jinx again. Our mental synchronization can have one explanation. You
And I
were just meant to be.
say goodbye.
Say goodbye to the pain of the past.
We don't have to feel it anymore. Love is an open door. Love is an open door. Life is so much more with you. Love is an open door.
Actually, can I just say something crazy?
No.
We're not getting married, just in case.
No.